like that. Put it right on top of there. I don't mind, Mom, as long as you're enjoying it. Good. Well, hey, everyone. Welcome back to the show. All right. Today, we have another mom special. Now, if you remember in the last video I made a few videos back, I'll leave a link for it up here, where I made my mom, I think it was the corn chowder. Yeah, bacon corn chowder. That's what she really wanted. Well, today, she's asked me, since the weather is so nice, if I would make her a grilled chicken sandwich with some mozzarella cheese. So come on with me. Let's put this together for Mom. I have one red onion, got my mandolin. Just going to slice this down, and bang, there you go. All sliced up, nice and thin. We're going to get these on our Blackstone. I got my Blackstone on low right now, letting that grill heat up. Got our Blackstone fired up here. Got a little bit of oil on there, olive oil that is. Going to take those onions, put those onions right on there, and a little salt. I'm just going to let these cook up while we get the chicken done. All right, now for the chicken today, I'm using one whole boneless, skinless chicken breast. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to slice it in half. I say call it filleting it, like that. And then what you want to do is I want to cut it in long slices this way. Just like that. And this is going to make enough for 2 sandwiches. Just going to be me and Mom eating dinner tonight. So I'm not making a whole big mess of food. Today for the seasoning, Mom wants to go with just a little salt, a little pepper, and a little fresh garlic. My buddy got me these little fly repellents, and I'll tell you what, I love these things, especially when we're cooking out here in the grill. Man, those flies become horrendous. Hit it with a little bit of salt. I'm just using regular natural sea salt. Got a little bit of black pepper. I just have some fresh garlic. It's more juice than actual garlic, but there is still a little bit of garlic in there. Gonna take 1 tablespoon, pour it in there just like that. Take your glove hand and just mix it on in, just like that. Guys, this is a really simple, quick, easy meal. Don't take much time to make, and oh, so good. Just want to let this sit for a few minutes. Let those seasonings coat in there good. Let that garlic penetrate in there. The garlic. Let the garlic penetrate in there. And we'll go ahead and throw these on a flat top and get them grilled up. The onions are coming along nicely. They're getting nice and caramelized, nice and soft. Oh, listen to that sizzle, boy. You know when you hear that sizzle, it's going to be good. We'll hit these with a splash of olive oil. Close the lid. Let them cook. All right, guys. Oh, yeah. This chicken is looking perfect. Go ahead and flip it over. Oh, yeah. Perfect color on that. Get all nice and happy. These got a little bit more time to cook. They're not quite done yet. Go ahead and let that cook up. Check these onions out. Oh, yeah. Those onions are getting nice and caramelized. Go ahead and throw those onions right on in there with it. Give these guys a few more minutes of cook time. We'll go ahead and show you what we do next. By the way, I love my Blackstone. Got that really neat feature. Has that air fryer in it. And oh man, I'll tell you what, that air fryer, guys, if you hadn't seen it yet, take a look at this. Take a look at the video I just made where I made some bacon wrapped shrimp on the air fryer, on the Blackstone air fryer. Oh my God, they came out so good. Chicken's got a few more minutes to cook. Go ahead and cover this up. We're going to turn the heat down on very low. We'll just let this go on and get happy. All righty, folks. Last thing we got here. Going to go ahead and separate these into 2 sandwiches. Got some mozzarella cheese, because Mom loves mozzarella cheese. Guys, give me a big shout out to my mom, please. Leave a comment down below. Give her a big shout out. Tell her you said hi. She loves reading the comments. So do I. By the way, also too, leave a comment down below. What do you make your mom for when she wants something special to eat? Leave a comment down below. Tell me what it is. All right, go ahead and put a lid on these. Just let them get nice and all melty. And we'll come back and we'll put these together. All righty, guys. I think this cheese is all nice and melty now. Oh, yeah. Perfect. All right. I got some taco shells here, just heating them up a little bit. We're going to take them and put them on the table over here. What we're going to do is, don't forget about that crispy cheese, man. That crispy cheese is the best. Crispy mozzarella cheese. Basically, what we're going to do is like that. Put it right on top of there. Don't forget any of that cheese. That nice crispy cheese is so good. All right. Come on over to the table, grab a couple pictures, and we'll have a taste test. I don't mind, Mom, as long as you're enjoying it. Good. There you go, guys. Simple, easy, delicious. Mom loves it. I bet you it's hot in her hand. Got that crispy cheese, got that garlic, got those onions. Nice, everything's all sauteed up. Oh, yeah. Delicious. Messy, just the way you like it. There you go. All right, guys. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab my sandwich, have a taste test. Mom's saying goodbye. Make sure, like I said, guys, smash that like button. Tell Mom hello. All right. We'd appreciate it. I'm going to grab a taste test. Be right there. Cheers, everyone. Oh, yeah. Blackstone Grilled Chicken. As always, God bless. Happy eats. I love you all. Till next time.